In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes in Microsoft Project. Notes are a simple but powerful way to keep context right where you need it, whether that's on a specific task, a resource, an assignment, or the entire project. They're perfect for capturing decisions, clarifications, links to supporting files, or reminders you want to see later. Let's start with adding a note to a task. Open a task-focused view, such as Gantt chart or task sheet, and click the task you want to annotate. On the Task tab in the ribbon, look for the Properties group and choose Notes. A Notes box opens where you can type your details. If you're noting something about a person or asset instead, select the resource and use the Notes command on the Resource tab. For assignment-specific notes, switch to a Usage view and use Notes from the Format group. This keeps the information tied to the exact context you're working with. Inside the Notes box, type your message clearly. You can format the text with fonts, alignment, and bullets for readability. If needed, insert files or images to provide richer context. When you're done, click OK to save. Back in your view, you'll see a note indicator in the Indicators column next to that item. Hover over it for a quick preview or double-click to open the full note anytime. Now, if your message applies to the whole project, you have two options. For a simple, high-level project note, go to the File tab and choose Info. On the right, select Project Information, then Advanced Properties. In the Summary tab, use the Comments box to enter your note and click OK. This is a great spot for overarching guidance, assumptions, or a project synopsis. If you want something more visible within the schedule, enable the Project Summary task. Go to File, then Options, choose Advanced, and turn on Show Project Summary task. Select that Project Summary row at the top. On the Task tab, click Notes, enter and format your project-wide note, and click OK. This makes the note part of the schedule itself, so it's easy to access during day-to-day work. As you work, remember that the note icon is your cue that more information is available. Hover to preview and double-click to read or edit. Notes support formatted text and embedded objects, which can help keep supporting materials close by. If you need hard copies, you can include notes when printing by enabling Print Notes in Page Setup for the view you're printing. Keep your notes clear and concise, and they'll become a reliable source of truth across your project.